If you live in the Southeast, you know the feeling, that thick, sticky, suffocating air that even a new AC unit can't seem to cut through. Take a look at Tanner's house. He's a local business owner who did everything right. He invested heavily in new insulation for the older home, but was still miserable every summer. It's not just temperature, it's the humidity. High moisture content makes 75 degrees feel like 80, and the worst culprit, that large crawl space underneath his home. High humidity down there forces moisture up into the living area, making your AC work twice as hard to fight the battle it can't win. It drives up the bills and silently creates an environment for mold and mildew. To solve the problem once and for all, Tanner called in the experts, including Jake from BioShield, who specializes in mold problem restoration. Jake's diagnosis was clear. They needed commercial-grade dehumidification.
Protecting against humidity and moisture, but humidity and moisture cause mold, mildew, subfloor issues, flooring issues in the main space, and then it's also conditioning the space. So it's taking it from a unconditioned space of the house before to encapsulating, which cuts off airflow, and then now conditioning it with the dehu. So this air under the house is going to be just as clean and fresh and have the correct relative humidity as the inside of the house.
That's why they chose the AlorAir Sentinel WHD-200 Whole-House Dehumidifier. This unit is a powerhouse built for punishing the climate of the Southeast. Even Jake, who sees it all, was seriously impressed with the sheer size and capability and capacity of this unit.
Very powerful. I was under there with it just now, and I've never seen a dehu put out that much CFMs. This house was built in the early 50s. It is a concrete construction home, and the problem is there's a lot of excess moisture in the crawl space. So what we've done is a partial encapsulation, which means that we're cutting off airflow from the outside, right? And we're also going to install this entire dehumidifier in the crawl space. What this is going to do is alleviate excess moisture in the crawl space. It's going to remove moisture, and this is a Mac Daddy dehumidifier. This is going to pull up to 170 pints per day. Like I said, this is a whole house dehumidifier. You can install it multiple different ways, but today we're going to be putting this in a crawl space. I really like how these are completely enclosed when they're inside the unit. Again, when you're installing something that's going to stay long term, you want to have those kind of check marks in place that you're not going to have to be doing maintenance consistently. We got dual filter opening on this side as well. So same filters, just have openings on both sides, so that way, regardless of where you install it at, you have easy access right here.
The proof is in the data. With the AlorAir unit running, Jake immediately noticed the difference.
So this is our control panel. You can see it's got our RH at 66%. This is showing the RH right here. This is showing how many grains per pound of water that's in the air. And then over here will be your error messages or faults. Right now it's showing the water droplet because the machine is on and running.
The humidity levels dropped significantly right during the time that we were recording and filming this project. This 165 pint capacity unit doesn't just manage moisture, it crushes it. Actively pulling the air from spaces up from 4,500 square feet, this is how you reclaim your comfort.
It has all the same simple components as any dehu that you see on the market. The difference is the capabilities you can add to this dehu, right? So you can place this, plug it in, drain it, and it's gonna work great. But then for a commercial setting, you have the ability to attach this to your HVAC system. You have the ability to make this an entire house dehu or entire building dehu where it's running through the entire system. So this thing has a lot of capabilities, but don't be intimidated by it. I think most people can probably do this, not by themselves because of the heaviness, but be able to order this for your home and get it installed. And this is modular, so you can actually change out where your intake and outtake is. We're not gonna be doing that today, but I've never seen the option. Yeah, so you can, like, let's say you're putting it in a crawl space and you got a 5-foot crawl space, right? You can put your outlet on the top so that it's blowing upwards versus outwards. So that's very nice that you can kind of adjust this to what works best for you and your application.
Stop letting southern humidity dictate your comfort. Waste your money on inflated AC bills and silently damage your home. Take it from Tanner and the industry expert Jake. You need a permanent climate solution. The AlorAir Sentinel WHD-200 is that solution. Click on the link below to get your same results as Tanner and reclaim the truly comfortable home you deserve.